Hey, here's a Primo QuickTip. Here's an easy way to clean your grill. I'm just going to use the cleaning bar, a lemon, and a paper towel. And we're just going to take a lemon and run that right over the cooking grates. That's going to break up that grease and allow it to come off much easier. I'm just going to go over it a couple of times, and you can see it's already starting to clean up. Now, after the lemon is set on there, you go ahead and just take a paper towel and just run that right across the grates. As you can see, it's getting most of that off, and I can even go between each of the grates to get even more of that food residue off. And that's a great way to clean your grill.